Again for this week. Remember, we're talking about how to make words plural, so get out your whiteboard and a marker, and you can make it look like this. And we're going to sort words and decide if they would just add an S or an ES to become plural. So let's sing our song. To make a word plural, just add an S. Unless the ending makes hissing sounds, or changes completely, or ends with an O. In all of these cases, just add ES. That song's kind of funny because if it changes completely, I'm not sure if they all have ES. Like child to children, you wouldn't have an ES on that. But anyway, definitely if it hisses or ends with an O, we're going to add ES. Okay, so let's think of some examples. So let's do some that end with our phonograms for this week. So how about the word truck as the CK phonogram at the end? Would truck be a word that we would just add an S, or would that be ES? Trucks. It's going to be just an S, so we're going to write truck on this side. Truck. And then add an S to make it plural. Trucks. Good. All right, how about one that ends with the J, three-letter J? Bridge. Bridge. Does that hiss at the end? The J is not a hissing sound, so we're going to write it over here. Bridge. Bridge. And then we can just add an S. Now, it does happen to have ES at the end, but that's not because we added ES. It just had an E, and then we put an S on it. Okay, how about the word ducks? To make it plural, just add S. How about, let's underline our phonograms. How about books? Books. Book ends with a K. Is that a hissing sound? No, so it's going to go over here. Book. Add S. Books. Okay, on the subject of books, how about pencil? Pencil. How would I make that plural? Doesn't end with a hissing sound, does it? So we're going to put it on this side. Pencils. Pencils. Good. All right, let's think of some that we can put on this side that end with a hissing sound. Or an O. Okay, so how about tomato? Tomato. Now to make it plural, what do I need to put at the end? ES, because it ends with an O. Tomatoes. Potatoes. How about that one? Did that go here? Ends with an O, so yes. Potatoes. Potatoes. How about wish? Which side would wish go on? Wish. Ends with a hissing sound, doesn't it? So put it over here. Wish. Wishes. I would like to have 3 wishes, please. And dress. In 2nd grade, you get to read a book called The 100 Dresses. So dress. Does that have a hissing sound at the end or not? Dress. Yes, that is a hissing. The S is the hissing sound. Dresses. Dresses. I almost put an extra S, but I don't know that. Okay. Here's one that ends with one of our phonograms for this week. Catch. Catch. Is that a hissing sound at the end? Catch. It is. So, how many catches did he make during the game? That is plural. Catches goes on this side. So, let's review which ending sounds are hissing sounds. S, X, SH, CH, Z. I think that's all of them. Sing your song one more time. To make the word plural, just add an S, unless the ending makes hissing sounds, or changes completely, or ends with an O. In all of those cases, just add ES. Very good. And you also have this page in your packet you can use to practice the rule this week and be all ready for the test on Thursday. Thanks, guys.